Hey guys, it's me Miles and I'm with my brother David and we're going to be making moon dough. We both have the ingredients that we need to make our moon dough.
We need shampoo and our cornstarch.
We need hair conditioner. Okay.
We need hair conditioner and cornstarch.
But there's a twist. We have this hat full of random ingredients
That
we're gonna draw
have to
two
add.
of these from. We're gonna draw two of these papers.
We need to add them to our moon dough.
Yes.
Our mom is going to be judging whose moon dough feels the coolest at the end.
Or is the best.
Yeah. So let's get started. Miles, you draw first.
Okay. So I got instant coffee.
Okay.
This is gonna
put it on
be
the table.
fun.
And
This one. And I got agave.
okay, now fold them up and we'll put them back.
Coffee and agave. This one's gonna be fun.
Okay, let me draw. I got instant coffee and Fanta.
Okay, so we just took a break to get our ingredients.
We have the agave,
Hey.
the instant coffee, and the Fanta.
Okay.
So now we're gonna start making our moon dough.
So I am using protein keratin shampoo.
And
Color safe.
You have to have conditioner.
It is conditioner.
That's not conditioner.
And I have herbal essence conditioner.
I was informed that we're not supposed to use shampoo. We're supposed to use hair conditioner. So I have shampoo in a bowl, which I'm gonna be using with
We'll
the
see what
conditioner.
happens.
So I'm gonna make shampoo and conditioner.
Let's get making our moon dough.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. It's time for the flour. You just done cornstarch. Cornstarch. My bad. Cornstarch. If only I knew how to edit.
I don't know how much to add.
Oh my God.
One more scoop for good luck.
Oh gosh.
I can always add more shampoo.
You mean hair conditioner, right?
Yes, I need hair conditioner.
I thought I'm saying it. Then.
Yeah, I need one hair
Okay.
conditioner.
So mixing time. It is mixing time. Yay, mixing time. I need more conditioner too. I'm using the other conditioner. I'm gonna have 3 different substances in this.
I'm gonna go ahead and add my Fanta to help me mix it up.
Oh, dude, this smells so good. Wait. Oh,
That comes up.
oh, it's wet and
Forget the coffee.
It's gooey. Ew.
Oh, my spoon got in. Oh wow.
It's goofy. That's supposed to be goofy. Thanks a lot. Okay,
Made
so
some
we're back.
progress,
Some
but
progress.
we're still not there
Not
yet.
there yet.
We haven't added our coffee
This
or
makes it
other ingredients. And we're just figuring out how our moon dough's looking. I added my Fanta and that's why it's orange.
Okay, yeah, this is
Going in with my hands.
now I am adding my agave.
Miles, can you give me a rough toaster?
You go, David.
Oh, Miles.
Just adding
more cornstarch because it's really sticky.
And I have basically made my mundo. So now it's time for me to add my special ingredients. I'm going to be starting off with the agave.
That looks cool.
Yeah. And there's the agave. Now, this is going to smell so good. It's either going to smell like trash or good.
Hopefully it smells like good.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh, I think I added a bit too much. God, this is awful.
Oh my.
Why do we do this? Okay, so I have added some corn, or some agave, not cornstarch, and I've added some cornstarch. So I
kind of need the cornstarch for the whole thing.
Yeah, cornstarch is important. And hopefully, if you're not as bad as us at making mundo,
Which I hope everyone is not as bad as us.
yeah,
We're
that'd be
terrible.
or awful. Yeah, this work. It's like moon crumbs.
Coffee.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more agave and then add some coffee.
Why?
Because it needs to be a little pretty. David, add the coffee first. I'm nominating you.
Okay, I'll add the coffee.
Thank you.
Coffee's going in. And it's looking pretty
Brown.
Right?
Yeah, I need more of that.
I remember there was a point in time when mine looked better than yours. Now look at it. It's like weird. Sticky.
There's agave in it.
That's not my fault.
The coffee will help the stickiness.
Sure.
Okay, so now I am getting the coffee treatment. That's all. Oh gosh, that's a lot.
You know what they say, a lot of coffee is a lot of coffee.
Who says that?
I do.
Okay.
I just added more Fanta to give it more color.
And I added some cornstarch to make it not as sticky. This looks disgusting. Oh my god. Can't wait to judge this, right, Mom?
Can't wait.
Most of the stuff is edible. So you can
No.
lick it if you want.
I don't think so.
Most of it's just agave and coffee.
It looks like cookie dough.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
I could just rub it in my hair.
Yeah.
I don't think that would make you
This
look
actually
very
smells kind of good. Smells like a Starbucks latte.
Mine's
Oh,
looking
dude,
good.
it smells good. Smell yours. Give it a smell. Good. Right?
Look at mine.
David, you're just like soup.
Don't look at my bowl.
I think you
It
added a
looks
bit
like
too
peanut
much.
butter. A little too much Fanta.
Okay, so as I'm mixing it, it seems to be getting lighter and better and better and lighter. And better. Okay.
So, our mom's about to judge us based on the appearance, and then she's gonna touch it and see how it feels.
Yummy.
So, come on over and you can touch mine first, I guess.
Yay.
Yours is never gonna come off my hand.
I'm like, Mom.
God.
That's why I built mine. I think I need a couple
Okay.
more cornstarch.
No.
Just a bit.
All right, Miles.
Just a bit more. It's kind of sticky.
Oh, that's not unpleasant. All right, Miles is definitely the winner here. Ding, 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 ding. Miles is the winner.